Today, we're diving into the Cougar MX330-G Pro Full Mesh Mid-Tower Case, a powerhouse designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. From the get-go, this case boasts a stunning tempered glass window, turning your PC's internals into a dazzling showcase. But it's not just about aesthetics. The MX330-G Pro means business with its genuine Gen 2 key, a 20-pin Type-C connector, delivering blazing fast transfer speeds and compatibility with the latest devices. Let's talk about airflow. This case is all about keeping your components cool under pressure. With a full front mesh design, your system gets the ventilation it needs to perform at its best, while the massive tempered glass left panel ensures your build remains visible and pristine. Speaking of builds, the MX330-G Pro offers advanced support for your hardware. With room for up to 385mm long graphics cards, multiple storage options including one 5.25-inch ODD, two 3.5 HDD, and 3 2.5 SSD, you have the flexibility to customize your setup to your heart's content. And with support for up to 7 fans, a 360mm water cooling radiator, and a 160mm CPU cooler, you can push the limits of performance without breaking a sweat. In terms of design, the MX330-G Pro nails it. Its sleek black exterior with tempered glass accents exudes sophistication, while the mid-tower form factor strikes the perfect balance between spaciousness and desktop footprint. And with a manageable weight of just under 7 kilograms, it's easy to handle during installation or transport. Overall, the Cougar MX330-G Pro Full Mesh Mid-Tower Case is a stellar choice for anyone looking to build a powerful, visually striking PC setup. With its exceptional airflow, versatile hardware support, and attention to detail, it's a top contender in the mid-tower case market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.